We are entering the fall months and the countdown to football season has already started. But with new daily COVID-19 cases, one band director that I talked with says he's concerned.
The marching band season at Watson Chapel is beginning much like it did last year.
We're trying to keep the kids, when they're not playing their horns, we ask them to put their mask on. Some do, some don't.
Alan Wimberly is the band director, and he says with only having 20 members this school year, things like making sure students are safely keeping a distance between each other should not be hard.
We're not going to wear those little things over our bells anymore, but we are not going to be right on top of each other either. On the field, we're going to try to keep at least 3 steps away from each other.
Because cases are high in Arkansas, he says parents are feeling less confident about having their children in band. Normally he sees about 60 members, so making adjustments will be challenging this year. It's something he understands though, because he recently battled COVID, cancer, and tumors in his lung.
Now kids are not in the band program because parents are scared to put them in there. And I'm certainly not going to blame them for that because COVID's serious.
The Arkansas Department of Health released specific guidelines last August for marching bands to follow, and even with the vaccine available now, Joel Tomlinson still encourages bands to do as less as possible inside.
With instruments, outdoors, less of a concern. That's why we want to encourage that as much as possible. But even there, depending on how crowded the situation is, masks might be necessary.
If the distancing and mask guidelines are followed, he says the risk of an outbreak or spread should be low. As of now, ADH won't be revising that guidance.
Band directors, if the leaders are being, very consistent and strict with how they're applying the measures that have been recommended, then I think it's probably not something you should be worrying about.
Frederick Price, THV 11 News.